shit like that. 345 gang. Big Brando back with another one. Yes, sir. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing cold air intake. I was back inside my driveway, so I had to pull frontwards. I'm about to be installing this. My cold air intake came today. Today's Sunday. Ain't that surprising? Like, it came on a Sunday. But I'm about to go unbox it and get to it and show y'all the unboxing and stuff like that. I'll get back with y'all. Okay, gang. I already opened it up. I already know what this is. It's a filter. My hand's ashy as hell because honestly been cleaning up in the crib today. Today's Sunday, cleaning up day. I know this go into the air take, into the heat shield. Of course, this go into the throttle body. This for the sensor. This for the heat shield. You got the clamps. Throttle. Little miscellaneous shit. You got your pipe. Show y'all the filter. You got the red filter. Yes, sir. I'm about to get it started. That's why I did that red, y'all. Yeah, man, I'm about to get him off of here and get it started. Dang, I had to make a quick stop to save a lot. Somebody in the comments was talking shit about my seatbelt chain. I do need to wear my seatbelt. I ain't gonna cap. Shut him up. When I get to doing shit like that, that's when I need to wear my seatbelt. You feel me? I told y'all Stormy 2.0 is something. She's something different. I ain't gonna lie. Like, and I ain't even put the cold air intake on yet. Like, that's what I'm doing when I get back to the crib. I had to make a little quick stop, man. All right, we back, gang. We about to get this started. Yup. I got BJ out with me. See, he right here playing with this little thing. Y'all see Blaze? Little badass. Yup. Say what's up, 345 gang.
What's up, 35K?
Yes, sir. You see
Yes,
Blaze?
Sir.
Y'all see that towel from me, from when I was spray painting. Grabbing a Vinox. When I did my last one, I ain't unhooked the battery. So, stupid ass ant. I ain't unhooked the battery, so I know that my computer didn't really read my new intake on it, so I gotta unhook this battery right quick, and so I'm gonna get started and stuff. I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, gang. I got the battery connected. Let's get this intake off. Big boy off. Yes, sir. I know I got my old one, so I got literally 2 intakes. That's funny. We back, gang. You said what?
That's some more balls.
Found some more balls?
Yes.
For real?
Yes, Daddy. We had a west one. We had 11.
You got 11 of them? It's easy. Let's get this intake box out of here.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Y'all see this old intake box? Look at that.
Huh?
Come here, BJ. Come here, butt. You see that?
Huh?
You see the engine?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man, let's get back to it, gang.
Yes, it's so nasty.
Nasty, ain't it?
And it's so red.
Yeah, it's red, ain't it? You like that?
Yes. Yes. Ow!
Don't do that, all right?
Ow!
All right, gang, I just got this sensor in here. This mug kind of... Okay, y'all, we got it in. All right, 345 gang. I'm done installing it. That shit was honestly more difficult than the last one, but it's on here. I'm about to flip the camera around so y'all can see what it's looking like. For a spin, y'all can see inside drive. That noise is annoying as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. She sound good, boy. I gotta stop by Dollar Tree right quick, gang. I'm leaving the gas station now, gang. Alright, this open lane too right here, real quick. Y'all know what that is. Yes, sir. Just like that, gang, man. Tell me what y'all think about this video. It's a whole nother cold air intake. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Push that notification bell so y'all don't miss none of my videos. Y'all can get all my content, all of it. And I'm gonna keep dropping. I'm gonna get back with y'all on another one. On gang.